Hi everyone, I am Jay Krishna. I am studying SRIT Engineering College from EEE department. Today I will explain the topic name is change of order of integration. Subject name linear algebraic calculus. Question to determine the integral by changing the order of integration. Limits integral 0 to 1 integral x to root of 2 minus x square x into divide x by root of x square plus y square. First we can draw a rough diagram and x-axis, y-axis, y equal to x is passing through the origin. We try a feasible region, that is the dark line is the strip in between 1 and 2 statement, given that y is varies from x to root of 2 minus x square and x is varies from 0 to 1, that is y limits is x to root of 2 minus x square and x limits is 0 to 1. We can draw a feasible region, or R is the feasible region by the coordinates at A 0 comma root 2, B 0 comma minus root 2, C root 2 comma 0, D minus root 2 comma 0. We draw a strip as shown in above diagram. By change of order of integration, we draw a strip parallel to the x-axis. We draw a strip parallel to the x-axis, that is horizontally in the case of if the x limits is 0 to root of 2 minus y square and if y limits is y taken given curve in the below diagram. At x equal to 0, y equal to 0. At x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Y is varies from, that is y is varies from 0 to 1. Solution integral 0 to 1 integral x equal to 0 root of 2 minus y square x by root of x square plus y square dx dy. Integral y limits y equal to 0 to 1 and x limits integral x equal to 0 to root of 2 minus y square x into x square plus y square whole power minus 1 by 2 dx into dy. Integral x equal to 0 root of 2 minus y square 2 minus y square 2x into x square plus y square whole power minus 1 by 2 dx dy. Here 1 by 2 is the taken outside. That is the formula for the next step. Integral f dash of x f of x whole power n dx equal to f of x n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here constant 1 by 2 is taken outside. Integral 0 to 1 x square plus y square by x square plus y square whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is the f of x n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 is a minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Limits is applied 0 to root of 2 minus y square into dy. Here integral y equal to 0 to 1 x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2 limits 0 to 2 minus y square into dy. Integral y equal to 0 to 1 x place we can substitute root of 2 minus y square and plus root 2 minus y square plus y square whole power 1 by 2 y square whole power 1 by 2 into dy. Integral y equal to 0 root 2 minus y into dy root 2 separation of integral root 2 integral y equal to 0 to 1 dy minus integral y equal to 0 1 y into dy root 2 into y 0 to 1 minus y square by 2 whole limits 0 to 1 root 2 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 1. So we can substitute limits from y plus root 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1. That is the answer. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2. Conclusion: the change of order of integration is a powerful technique, multivariable calculus that allows us to rearrange the order in which variables are integrated in multiple integrals. Thank you.